Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS Studio video capture device not showing video issue. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to check your camera privacy settings in Windows. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the Start button and type Camera Privacy Settings. Once it appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will open the camera settings page where you can control which apps have permission to access your camera. Once you're in the camera settings, navigate to the section labeled Apps to access your camera. Right below that heading, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on it to turn it on. This setting is crucial because it enables applications to use your camera in the first place. Without it enabled, OBS Studio won't be able to detect any video input. Next, you'll need to scroll down until you find the option that says Allow desktop apps to access your camera. Make sure this toggle is also turned on. This is specifically important for desktop applications like OBS Studio, as they require this permission to function properly. Many users overlook this setting, which is often the root cause of the problem. Now that your privacy settings are configured correctly, let's head back to OBS Studio. In the bottom left corner of the OBS window, navigate to the Sources panel. Here you'll see your video capture device listed. Right-click on Video Capture Device, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a window where you can adjust specific settings for your capture device. In the Properties window, locate and click the Activate button. This ensures that the device is actively being used by OBS. Now look for the option labeled Resolution/FPS Type. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Custom from the list. This allows you to manually set the resolution instead of relying on automatic settings. Below that, you'll see another option simply labeled Resolution. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select 1920 x 1080. This is a standard HD resolution that works well for most setups. Once you've made these changes, click OK to save them and close the Properties window. Give it a moment to apply the new settings. If your video still doesn't show up after following these steps, you may need to recreate the video capture device entirely. Don't worry, this is a straightforward process. Right-click on your video capture device in the Sources panel and select Remove. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure. Click Yes to proceed with the removal. Now in the bottom left corner, click the plus icon in the Sources panel. From the menu that pops up, select Video Capture Device. You'll be prompted to enter a name for this new source. For example, you can type Webcam, then click OK. In the next window, look at the device drop-down menu at the top. Click on it and choose your webcam from the available options. This tells OBS exactly which camera to use. After selecting your webcam, click OK to finalize the setup. Your video should now appear in the preview window. If the video feed looks too small or too large, you can easily resize it by dragging the corners of the video frame to fit your needs. And that's how you fix the OBS Studio video capture device not showing issue by adjusting your privacy settings and recreating the device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.